Hello everyone, I'm Cymatics and we're here for more Sherlock the Awakened. We are currently in the middle of chapter 6. Well, I need to find some information.
A heavy weight scored impressions in the ground 1 inch deep. The wood is swamp cypress, endemic to the area.
And? Is that an axe? It's a bloodied axe.
The blood is dry. The axe has not been used for some time. A simple rope. This is how those poor people were crucified.
Oh no. So, that likely means that they've been up here for quite some time. Oh gosh, oh goodness.
This is not Arneson, just another unfortunate soul.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh gosh.
Thankfully, it's not Arneson. Thankfully, Arneson isn't among the dead.
Yes, okay, that's good. And it looks like someone got away.
That's a lot of blood, but probably not enough to be fatal.
Yes, we can only hope, though.
Both ends of the rope were cut cleanly. The captive was dragged through hell.
Oh, let's hope it wasn't literally hell. I'm sorry, that's an observation. Partial handprint, thumb only.
Blood was poured over someone, leaving a gruesome silhouette.
Yep, that's perfect. That's just great. That's perfect. This knife.
A worn blade, but clean and without blood.
Interesting.
Bowls filled with blood.
Why though? Oh, what on earth? Scratches from the friction?
Only this indentation was spared from blood.
Which means that that's likely a talisman or like a stone that I need to put there.
The tracks lead behind the stone slab.
Which means that I need to figure out how to get back there. Back here? No, why would back here give any information? Wait. Clothes. EA?
The initials EA are embroidered with silk thread.
Errol Arneson. Okay, so Arneson was recently captured.
Christmas clothes tossed aside.
And is that the information I needed? Of course it was! And now, exactly where is number 1? Is this number 1? I believe it is. What do we have? And this? Huh. Well, I'm not exactly certain. Huh. That could be very likely. Hold on. The rope is undone, but it's cut cleanly on both sides, which means that likely he was let out. I'm going to assume that this one is most likely to be true because there is still a chance for blood to be spilled if he is let out. But why is he being let free? That's the curious part. This hasn't been used in quite some time, so therefore it cannot be the axe. Let's go over to this. What do we have here? There's 4 options. Well, the dagger is clean. Fed blood. Partial handprint, thumb only. But the dagger is clean. He was covered in blood. Interesting. I think that he was just covered in blood and then brought over here. No. Yes. Yes, I think he was covered in blood for whatever reason. And where's the last one? It's somewhere around here, right? Oh, yeah, that stone door. Not sure. No, it's quite plainly Arneson, which means it's one of the last 2. But which one's more likely? It has to be this one because they made a note of saying that that area was clear. There we go.
Arneson was held captive in this cage until his abductors tied him to a cross and dragged him to the bonfire. Arneson was left hanging here for a while before being freed and led to the altar. At the altar, Arneson's captors performed a ritual on him and poured blood over his head. With Arneson now prepared, he was escorted to the sealed entrance. They used the mechanism with an indentation to open the passage.
But how do I get in there? I would love to know that. The indentation in the internals had an object inside. It must be covered in blood. Very likely. Is it this?
Heavy and covered in blood.
Yes. Let's use this. And open the door. Oh boy, let's hope that nothing bad's gonna happen to me.
Darn it. Something is wrong with my lantern. Give me a minute.
I won't wait for you. I'm going in.
Oh, how rude of you. You really should be more patient and wait for Watson. Hello. There's several doors. Oh, bother.
Tide those who take it.
Oh, bother.
Walk away. Let the unknown be.
So, I have a choice to make. Either take the book or don't take the book. I'm a very curious person, and so is Sherlock. This could very easily kill me.
That's human skin and still warm.
There we
What's
go.
happening?
And I guess let's go forward.
Deja vu, and not in a pleasant way.
I didn't believe so. Let me guess. Is this the realm that I was in earlier? Well, I knew that something along those lines were going to happen here. So... Oh, hi, hand. What's over here? Oh. I see. Okay, so it's a multi-sectioned puzzle. There we go. Which means that I have to go back through the door so I can get to the other area again. Oh, this is trippy. And that should have the bridge set up. Well, the bridge doesn't exist. So then in that case, what do I do? So which great old one did I piss off? Azathoth? There's another piece of bridge that I need to make happen. Where are you? Is it down here? Of course! That one is also set. I believe there were only 2 bridge sections. That means that I should be able to cross back over into the other realm and things should be set up, right? No. Oh. Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold up. I get it. I get it. I get it. I get it. Do I just have to walk across now? It's invisible. It's invisible. I am right. It's invisible. Oh, now where do I go? I just have to... We'll ignore that. I'm gonna take another note of where, of how this bridge is formulated through the thumb and the finger. It feels like this is a different setup, though. Oh, is it inversed? It might be inversed. Then around the thumb. Yeah, there we go. Well, I got it. It's inversed. It's inverted controls, basically. Don't worry, I'm smart. I got this. Oh, what? Oh, I see. Then I hug this part. Okay. I just needed to see the rest of the puzzle. Buh. I think I got this now. And then before here, then up this way. And then it should be around the cage. And then here. There we go! I'm so smart!
And now, axes? What on earth for?
See, you might be wondering why the axes. This makes total sense. Think about it. Cthulhu! And deep scratches, dried blood. And incomprehensible, I see. Perfect. And a door I cannot open. Also great. So there's 3 rocks. Huh. 2, T, 4. Ah! I thought I died. But then I didn't. Don't worry, Watson. Don't you dare worry for me. Because I should be fine. I'm Sherlock Holmes. I can die an infinite number of times and I will be fine. What did that do for me? Oh. You maniacal game. Am I supposed to get cut on one of the axes? 3 times. 3 scratches. Oh, wait! Oh! This is one of them! Scare me!
Watson!
There we go!
Now it is glowing, but why?
Okay, that confirms... Okay, that means I need that one and that one. Hi! And now that other one should start glowing. There we go. And
that
this
glow
one.
again?
And place on! Oh, that hurts every time.
I hope that was all. I can't take any more.
Yeah, that was gruesome. Oh my gosh. Oh! You've died several times, my guy.
At last, the lantern's working again. Holmes, I'm coming.
Watson, you're gonna be shocked.
Holmes, what are you doing, sitting in a place like this?
How did you get here? How did you get through the maze? Tell me, Watson.
What maze? I walked straight up to you. You saw me.
Do not lie to me, John. How did you get out?
Sherlock, what happened? Are you feeling all... Oh, heavens. Is that Arneson? Why didn't you mention him? Stay put. I must check if he is alive.
Well, I didn't exactly see him.
I just need a second, John.
Yet that's fair. You just died several times.
Beckoning, great one, lightning.
I should examine him before he has another seizure.
Yeah. The seizure might be caused by, you know, Cthulhu.
Blunt trauma to the cranium, dilated pupils, lips moving without a sound.
I'd say drugged.
Severed fingers, the wounds are inflamed.
But why did they need to sever his fingers?
Cold sweat. 2, no, 3 ribs fractured.
Ooh. Fractured ribs, and he's twitching. And his arms.
Pulse is racing, 110 beats a minute. Arneson is delirious after all he's endured. We can't get him to the boat in a state like that. It's dangerous to us and him.
Yeah? And I can make a connection. Let's check this, though.
This is Dwale, induces sleep and relaxation.
Fascinating. This?
Salvia divinorum. Provokes visual hallucinations.
And where is it? This.
A gluey decoction. The smell is herby but sharp. It appears burnt, judging by the color.
You're quite smart. Very good, Watson.
Hard to tell what it says.
Yeah. However, I don't think you're Wow. Hi. Rejoice, for he is coming. Prove worth by giving life to the great Lord. The deep water calls. The Cthulhu.
The walls are spinning. Let me catch my breath.
Yeah, I don't doubt it. I really don't. Anything else? We have more.
I wonder what this language is.
Lovecraftian. Let me forget. Please let me forget. And over here.
Pokeweed berries, though they appear harmless, the whole plant is lethal.
Great!
Pharmacopoeia, listing drugs, effects, and directions for you.
Oh. Pharmacist Handbook, How to Treat Without Killing. This book is a helpful assistant on your journey to becoming a competent pharmacist. Every drop, crumble, or grain of a substance can bring a sick patient back to life, but may kill him if dispensed carelessly. It is crucial to know what can help and what can kill. Each chapter provides a brief description of every substance used in pharmacy. Remember, be precise, be patient, learn from the mistakes of others.
Some kind of amanita mushroom. Extremely poisonous.
Oh boy.
Odorless, watery, and hard to identify.
Cthulhu's slime. An odorless and gluey brown substance that has a strong, sharp smell of herbs. It may have been burnt. Smell, odorless. Jelly. Oh boy. Hold on. Vials with an unidentified liquid are among other toxic plants. It is odorless, watery, and transparent yellow. Color, transparent. Wait. Then what was the other thing I was looking at? A transparent yellow. So obviously this is going to be transparent. It's still odorless. And then we have vials with an unidentified liquid. There we go. Snake venom typically looks like yellow water. It has no impurities or foam. A few drops of snake venom, diluted or mixed with other substances, can be used as a muscle relaxant. 1 drop per 80 pounds should be enough. Great. I would rather not poison him, though. That'd be great. An odorous and gluey brown. Oh, pungent. Then it's dark. Oh, my dumb self. My dumb self. Wait, Ahusica is a brown-colored paste used in rituals across the Amazon basin. Oh, it causes visual and auditorial hallucinations created in South America. The decoction's main ingredient is a local plant known as yage. Oh, you frickin' idiot. I'm sorry, my guy. Wait, whoa.
Please tell me there are no eels inside, Arneson.
Yeah, that would be pleasant. I would like no eels in our friends.
Book. That place. I got lost.
Yes. So do we go mix ourselves some poison? Yes, we do. Oh, and then there's probably an ingredient over here.
This should help soothe Arneson.
Yes? Please? Don't kill him. Hi, Arneson.
I need some fresh air.
Yes, please go. I'll be right behind you with Arneson. Perhaps
Oh.
you can prepare the boat.
Great. This is gonna be fantastic for me, I think. This is gonna be great for Sherlock. It's gonna be perfect. He's gonna get jumped. That's what's gonna happen. We are going to get jumped. I know this is gonna happen. It will happen. Sherlock is going to get jumped. What do we have out here? Who's watching me?
Free me festering soul and let me feel. Free me festering soul and let me feel. Eyes without purpose and now see the truth. Tear me mind from me flesh, score me festering soul. Phantoms of nothing, we are born to die. Filth in the eyes of our eldritch lord.
Great.
Free my festering soul and let me feel.
Hey!
I wish to return. Free me, let me return.
Don't-
Free me and rejoice.
Don't kill me.
Eyes
Oh,
without
great.
purpose, I now see the truth. Tear my mind from my flesh.
Holmes, are you all right? Here, let me help.
I'm fine.
Holmes? Sherlock! What the hell were you doing? He almost killed you.
Very weird stuff is going on.
You're right. Let's go, Watson.
Oh, Watson, thank you so much. You are the greatest. Thank you. So there were obviously cultists that were around.
Bon Dieu, still among the living.
We are, though not for lack of trying by the sheriff.
Well, he'd been telling people you died in the swamp despite his trying to save you. Crooked man, through and through. Wait, is that Mr. Arneson?
Yeah.
Yes, but he's not well. Do you know Lucy?
Belle from the nymph? That I do.
Please bring her here. Mr. Arneson needs to see a familiar face if he's to have any chance of surviving.
Yes.
Power of the heart. I get you. Wait here.
Absolutely. I would love that.
Errol? Oh, Errol! Reckon we should give him space. Farewells are painful.
No. Tell me that's not true.
He's not dead.
Mr. Arneson has endured a lot. Lost 4 fingers, a lot of blood, and some of his sanity. But with rest and tender care, he ought to survive those injuries, both physical and mental.
Thank you, Johnny. I'll take care of him. Thank you for bringing him home to me. We'll be all right.
Are
Of course.
you quite certain? Do you have the space? The resources?
I will stay with him at the mansion. It is not a burden to take care of your love.
His property is in quite a state. It may not be the best place for recuperation.
Hush now. Champagne will see it sorted.
Then it's settled. Hear that, Errol? Us living under one roof. Careful what you wish for. Oh, and champagne? I'm about sick of watching that sheriff run riot through New Orleans. We ought to talk.
Funny, I was just thinking that grub did nothing to save your man.
Oh, yeah.
Together, I reckon you, me, and Errol have the sway to make some changes round here.
I like the sound of that.
Holmes, our boat.
Oh, we must make haste. Farewell all. Take care.
Arneson, I really do hope you get out of here alive. All right, so we're now outside of New Orleans. Chapter 7. The Book from Beyond. Great. London. Whew. Intense. Intense. Thank you, Watson, for saving my life.
Who's there?
Who do you think?
Let it be known that I'm handy with this revolver.
Nonsense, Dr. Watson. As I understand it, when faced with the imperative to defend oneself, one's comrades, and one's nation, you fled.
Wait, what?
Aren't you going to introduce us, Sherlock?
Watson, meet my brother Mycroft.
I
Queen's
figured.
best boy. This is a grim augury indeed, for wherever Mycroft travels, tedium surely follows.
In contrast, of course, to Sherlock, a man whose obsessive pursuit of the trivial tears through the most carefully laid plans like a hurricane. Do you have any idea what you have disrupted?
Your ego is inflated as much as your waistband. What word comes to mind?
You work for the government?
International trade is a delicate beast. Your antics in Edelweiss have jeopardized one of the Crown's richest relationships.
I do
Oh
not
dear.
care.
As rich as all the butter you've been slathering on your bread?
We need your help.
What?
There is evil afoot. Strangeness and savagery like I have never seen. Something otherworldly festering in the dark beyond our reach. We have seen things that defy explanation. Mystic forces, magic. You must help us.
It's true.
The British government does not invest its resources in the insane or intoxicated. Pull yourself together.
We're not
I know.
insane! Yet.
Men like you grease palms, whisper in ears, start wars, and you send men like me to die in them. You and the rest of your corpulent cronies.
Ha! Corpulent! That was it.
Interesting, Sherlock. But as you again drift away from sanity, you find yourself another John.
What?
All right, so the choice is made.
I beg your pardon?
There is only us. We cannot run from this problem. I shall take the book and Davy's cryptic message to Barnes. See what he makes of it.
He's drifting. Uh-oh. Sherlock's drifting hardcore. Oh, boy. Well, that was a very thrilling set of stuff that just happened. But unfortunately, I do have to end the episode here. I am enjoying this. I hope that you're enjoying this. If you want to see more, then just keep watching, and I have nothing else to say, so goodbye.